Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to the Wednesday Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to look at all of the usual pairs today straight up. But firstly, let's have a look over here at the economic calendar, get a gauge of what we're looking for today. So got pretty much news coming out of GBP very shortly, followed straight away by some news out of Euro. So again, just need to be a little bit cautious about those in the start and in the first few hours of the New York session. And then very early, tomorrow morning, we have some FOMC meeting minutes. So that could cause a bit of a stir in the market, but obviously that'll be out of a lot of people's trading periods. So yeah, just be mindful that we could see a bit of movement from Euro and GBP today. So basically yesterday we were looking for, this low to hold, which it did, and looking to go long. We did actually get quite a good setup out of this area here. We can see we had this impulse down, and then we pulled back up, failed to set the new low, and then continued off there on the 15-minute. So not a bad trade out of that area there for anyone that was awake and looking for a trade in that period. For me though, I did take a trade on Euro, which I can go over in the next chart. But at the moment, 15-minute is still holding bullish. So we had this massive big impulse up, and all of this is just internal price range at the moment. So basically looking to just continue long again for today, unless obviously we get the break of this low, and then yeah, obviously then we can start to flip bearish. So while ever the 15-minute is still bullish, we will remain bullish. So we're going to be looking for either a return back down into this area here, just above that range there. So into this last down candle before the up move, going long from there, or whether we see a break, taking liquidity highs, possibly even taking this high, returning to the midline, and then going long from there. So they're the two trades that I would be expecting or looking for today. Euro USD. So basically yesterday we had a short bias. We did come up into this area here. I did actually take a short from this area here, very low time frame short. Ended up, I was 1% up, ended up taking 1%, moved my stop loss from the top of the range down, and ended up taking a 0.4% loss on the retrace back up. So I ended up 0.6 up yesterday on yesterday's trade. But looking at the 15-minute chart here, we can see here, same as yesterday, we did not break this high here. We pulled up into that range, and we've since come back down, and we've consolidated, building quite a bit of liquidity here on the bottom side of this small base here. So basically looking to break that and maybe head a little bit lower. So basically, do we see break of this liquidity down low to either break and continue lower, or do we come back down and to retest this area that has wicked down into the area and pulled away, maybe a retest into there before heading long? But either way, a bearish impulse down, or whether we see a sweep of liquidity into the midline and then back low from there. But either way, if you're going to take a short on Euro today, just be careful around this area down here. Manage your risk accordingly when you get down into those areas. GBP USD. So basically yesterday we see here that we did, so we didn't hold that high like we were expecting. So we get rid of these two, and basically what we were looking for is a break of the high, retest around the midline, and pull back up again. And that's obviously exactly what we got here. We broke high, took out the high there, came back down, retested around this midline area in here, retested that midline area, and then obviously shot off and went from there. Quite a good little trade setup there for anyone that was looking for that trade. But basically now we have flipped on the 15-minute here. We've had this pull up, pull back down. We've worked our way back up, broken this recent high. So that means now we can look to go long. So based on that, we've had a pretty good retrace here on this big wick. So we had a pull up, broke the high, pull back down, pull back up, broke the high again, pull back down, and then pull back up high. So this wick, the bottom of this wick here is our current range. So we could actually see a break just below the low side here, taking Asian low liquidity into this area. We may even take that wick and go a little bit lower and then go long from there. Or we see a break. We see a break and a retest and to go long from that position as well. But with the 15-minute turning bullish, we might be able to start to look at some long positions from here. Thanks again, guys, for jumping on. Appreciate the support as always, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.